Today is the 9th of June 2020 and I am sitting here in Kanpur Central Railway Station. You can see how many people they are walking on the platform 1 and platform 2nd. From 2nd 02533 Pushpak Express is going towards the Delhi. And then you can see how many passengers they are inside. And I was called to board the train before 2 hours. And I came here at 7 o'clock. Then 7:30 I was allowed to go inside the platform. Firstly, I was done thermo scanning. One person was standing. He has done the thermo scanning. By thermo scanning, he has just put the instrument on my wrist. Back of thumb, back of palm. So by that he came to know temperature. My temperature was 97.3 degree Fahrenheit. Then next step was for the sanitization. One chap was standing with this sanitizer, and he has done the sanitizing on my luggage and to me also. Then third step, I have reported to the person who was having the reservation. How many reservation? He has checked my reservation. Rather, he has asked me in which train I am going. And I told I am going 02533 means 02533 Pushpak Express, which is from Lucknow towards Bombay. So just see, especially on Kanpur railway station, if in the normal days would have come, then I think not less than 10,000 people used to gather, whether the Kent side or whether the city side. If you count all around, then not less than 10,000 people used to be around the Kanpur Central Railway Station. And because of corona virus infection, people they are not allowed to go on the platform, and it is very good also. Government is making such a rule for our safety and security. Our health is prime factor, so we should follow the rules and regulations which are laid down by our central government and the state government. You can see how many people they are inside the platform. Platform number 1 and platform number 2. I am here just sitting and thinking what has happened to our India, from where this coronavirus have come and just made our economy down, and people they are bound to live inside their houses, and very less people, those who have very urgent work to go from one place to another, they are just waiting, and confirmed tickets are allowed to move. They are confirmed tickets. Those who are having confirmed ticket, they only can travel inside the train. And I hope while boarding the train, every compartment they will do the scanning, and after scanning they will allow to go on the seat. But so this is the way a railway is taking precaution for the Indian citizen, and really it is a matter of great concern for all of us, for all the citizens of India. I pray to God that our health, our people, they should be safeguarded by the nation. This coronavirus has come to India and disturbed our normal life. How many months will take to get normalization, to get everything normal in our India? Can't see. Our vaccine for prevention from the corona is underway. Let's see how many months and how many days, how many months it will take to come into the market, and we all can be immunized by taking vaccine. So let's pray to God that everything should be normal within very few months, and our all economics activities can run peacefully, and state government and central government, both governments, they are worried about the health of the people. They are not taking any step which will increase the death toll by the corona infection. Really, this is the way you can find out how many people they are on the platform. I haven't seen like this platform, especially Kanpur Central platform. I haven't seen since 1980. I am visiting these platforms of the Kanpur Central, and I haven't seen like this situation ever. This is not seen by me. Ever I have not seen. I haven't experienced like this. People, they are very less people they are on the platform. This is, I think, the history from the 1918 AD. I hope I haven't seen that situation, but maybe the same situation during 1918 when Spanish flu came to our India, and so many people they have lost their lives. Thank you very much for being with me. This is our Kanpur Central. Let's see, let's pray to God that normal things will come into few months, and all the trains will run as normal as before 34th of March. Thank you very much for being with me.